I'm Chief Operating Officer of the Gillespie Group and Rotterdam Ventures. I wasn't going to speak tonight, but I'd have to clarify certain things Mr. Z said. First of all, the New York State Supreme Court disagrees with what he said here as well in terms of the zoning, in terms of this, and we did our own research when the property was being auctioned off, and we knew it didn't have the proper zoning, and our attorneys gave us that advice too in terms of if we made the acquisition. If I was a developer, I'd deal with the zoning before I put people in, and that's the proper way you would do things. In regards to the sewer, Sync Realty knew they had no rights to the sewer. That was done with the New York State Supreme Court as well as reaffirmed with the appellate court. So from that standpoint, as a developer, I do feel bad on the emotional side of it, but it's a matter of zoning. We all have to play by the same rules in Rotterdam. We have to play by the same rules in any community we do business in. And that's the way you do business. You know what you're getting into beforehand. You have public hearings. As our attorney indicated earlier, we'd like to see the data in terms of whether it's a full build-out, whatever. If you're changing the zoning, the same thing, whether it's traffic, whether it's other impacts that are going to be affected on Route 7, et cetera. We just want to know the facts so we can have a public hearing. There's nothing to comment on. This is all emotion right now. These are great people. But the fact is, this is a zoning issue, and we want to play by the rules. And Sync Realty knew the rules before they bought it. We all knew the rules. Any sophisticated investor would know the rules. You don't buy something without doing your due diligence. You don't call a town and just ask a random person. You do your homework. We got the advice that it wasn't properly zoned. And we also told the federal government that there was no sewer. Why would you buy something if you didn't have sewer without having an agreement in place to use it elsewhere or do septic or do something? So it's one of those, you would never put people in a place unless you had the proper zoning in effect, the proper sanitary sewer, the proper storm sewer, the same things that Boulder went through in terms of their environmental impact statements. I appreciate Andy's arguments, Don's arguments, but the fact is, this is a community. Every community we do business in, you got to play by the rules. Thank you.
Thank you.